welcome to BW Business World. I have few questions for you. When it comes to efficiency, what can be done more to encourage these industry professionals to take up the roles in academia?
Yeah. When you talk about this academy and this industry partnership, it's very important to understand that there is a huge difference. So that means that how a professional who is working at university is having a tie-up with the industry so that they can understand the real problem statement which industry is facing, and that can be implemented to the universities where the student and the even faculties can have the exposure to understand the real time problem. It will be a advantage for the student as well as the faculty to get insight of the industry, and it will be helpful for them once they are placed into the top MNC companies. So this is the one thing which is very important. And the other part which I want to add, that nowadays the students are lacking behind the coding and the other perspective. So industries always play important role when you have the prior internships, when you have the prior tie-ups. Suppose a student who have got the opportunity to work, because now the internships are open to each of the semester. It's before that some few years we have internship only for the 7 semester students, but nowadays it's open for each students, and we do not have the limitations in the internship, so they can understand the real world, the real problems, and the same can be implemented, and it will be a mutual collaboration for industry as well as the academia.
And with visa restrictions tightening globally, how are student aspirations and global collaboration that we see nowadays are being impacted?
Yeah, it's true that we have a lot of visas when you talk about US, and when you talk about European countries also, we have facing many difficulties, and the government is have tightened the positions that the students are not allowed. If they are allowed also, they have some certain constraints which they have to fulfill. So as my this suggestion to the students, that in India also we have lot of universities which are emerging, and if you talk about foreign universities, if they have, there are two things which the students can avail. Many of the universities have the international tie-ups, like we at Bennett University, we provide international tie-ups where the students can have the global program, the 2 years. If you, for example, in BTech we have 4 years of a course for CSC or any of the specialization for the CSC. So 2 years he can study here for the global program, and 2 years he can study outside India, and that is we have a tie-up with the top 200 QS ranking universities. So it means that he is going to get a degree this from the university which he is going to study for the third and the fourth year. So it means in India being we have the facility that the students can have the foreign exposure, and as well as because when you are going with the university, the things are easier, because students are getting issue in the first trial or the initial phase, you can say. But when they have initiated their admission at some of the reputed university in India like Bennett, which they have the facility of global program, where we have not only the student exchange as well as the faculty exchange program. And the other thing is that the student have to understand that it does not matter that where you are studying. It matters only the knowledge, the insight which they are going to learn from the 4 year degree. That is very important. So place is not important nowadays. It only because in India, and you would have heard or in news also, it is forecasting that many of the foreign universities are that investing in India. We have like University of Southampton, which is they have opened a campus in Gurgaon. We have likewise we have some 3-4 universities which they have started in the University of this Wollongong is there in Dubai. So that also started, so they can have that exposure in India itself. Why to what you can say, that have a issue in applying the visa, or they should not get any, because that does not only does more make the moral down of the student, but also that sometimes that they have not selected, they take it otherwise. We have many opportunities for the students in India, in Indian universities, as well as the universities, the foreign universities which have opened their campus in India.
Absolutely. Thank you so much sir, for your time. Thanks a lot.